Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good, feeling irie, because we have another pick a card reading for you today. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. In today's reading, you know, as part of this kind of summer carnival energy going on. Okay, we're going to look into how do men view you with the emphasis of your Empress energy, the Carnival Queen in you. So let's get into it.
Walk on eternity. Jesus, walk on eternity. Jesus, walk on eternity. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Super. Yeah.
So, as part of this little special that we're doing, as part of all the carnivals taking place, okay, to represent that vibrant, fiery Caribbean culture, we're going to do something a little different here with how do men view you, okay? So we have number one, number two, number three. Okay, pile one, pile two, pile three. Go to that number that's calling you. Okay, and I hope you have a nice cup of tea or some snacks, just to get you feeling nice and sweet and hydrated as we gather those intuitive, juicy gems. Okay, so we got pile one, pile two, pile three. Okay. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tara and Tea. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. It helps the channel to grow and it helps us to meet more like-minded people like you to connect with the family and connect with the community. Okay. So okay. Also, put in the comments down below, okay, your flags, okay? We're in this carnival season, in the summer of love season. Okay, so put your flags in the chat. Let us know where you are watching from around the world and represent. Okay? All right. So, how do men view you? Okay, we're looking into the Empress energy in you and that Carnival Queen. Okay, so pile one, pile two, pile three. Let's see what on. So we're going to bring in some good energy into the read. Okay. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive on these fun how do men view you read. May the messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and have some good fun while doing it and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, pile one, pile two, pile three. Come on, because we're going to get into it. See you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are looking into pile one. Okay, pile one. Okay, how do men view you? We're gonna start with the tarot. How do men view you? Okay, how do men view you? How do men view you? Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. We have the Seven of Wands. Okay, so we got this fire energy. Now, this energy is given like this. How do men view you? It's like somebody that they know that they have to. I'm getting the energy that they need to come correct. They need to have a level. It's like recognizing your worth, recognizing your value, and respecting your boundaries. Okay, so I feel like there could be a very strong fire energy here, okay, with the Seven of Wands popping out, okay, and I feel like it's also how they see you is this energy of respecting your boundaries, respecting, if there's like, if you are a person who, you know demands, that, like when you walk into the room, it's like you demand It's kind of like a natural energy about you. Okay, and I feel like this is the fire energy. Perhaps some of you may have like fire energy in your chart, whether it could be a Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries. Okay, or you may carry this energy. Okay, but I feel like it's a strong energy of respect. Respect is something that comes to mind. Okay, I'm also getting the message. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Okay. Let's just have a look and see what's significant at the front. So again, there's lots of sevens here. So I feel like there could be an energy of lucky seven. It could also be an energy of contemplation. Okay. It could also be perhaps there might be someone from your recent past that may have like some kind of doubts, wishing that they could maybe reconcile with you. Okay. And I feel like it's also someone like it could be someone appreciative of where you are and what you have acquired, what have you built for yourself. It could also be someone wanting to return. Okay, look at this. We have the lovers here as well. Let's see what's at the back. And we have you have the sun energy here. Okay, so I feel like with the sun energy is a masculine energy, but I feel like it's an energy where I'm getting the message. Lots of things are happening. Lots of things, lot of good things are happening. Lots of blessings are happening, and I feel like it's also a message that to remind yourself to keep doing you, working on you. Set yourself healthy boundaries so that healthy behaviors, okay, blessings can come your way. Okay, nothing's wrong with that. Now, feel drawn to pull from the middle. Let's have a look and see what's significant message wants to come through. So how do men view you? I feel like this is also a message that, stick it, loving on you is not a crime. More importantly, you sticking up for yourself, you setting your own boundaries. Again, it's allowing healthy behaviors to flow into your life. Okay, it's allowing you to attract what it is that you truly want and deserve in your life. Okay, now we've seen a lot of sun, vibrant colors. Okay, so we're gonna have a look now into what's going on here. Let's have a look. Okay, with the color. There seems to be like a kind of an aura about you. So let's see what type of color. Okay, how do men view you? What type of colors do they see? Or it could be your aura, just your presence. Let's have a look and see what comes to mind. Woo! We have we have sweet like chocolate boy. Sweet like chocolate. You bring me so much joy. Sweet like chocolate. Ah, hey, you are sweet like chocolate. Nourish your body and your soul. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Okay, look at that energy right there. So we're gonna pull out Jamaican proverb. Let's see what Jamaican proverb wants to come through, and then we're gonna look into, the queen in you. Let's see what kind of energy comes up. If we don't see the queen, one of the good queen cards or the empress card, we'll have a look and see what kind of message, whether it could be like a fire element or water element. Okay, so we're gonna have a look. Let's start with the Jamaican proverbs. So, how do men view you? How do men view you? For the collective who chose power one, how do men view you? How do men view you? Ooh, so we have here, look at this. A good friend is better than pocket money. A good friend, a good friend is better than pocket money. Value good friendships, value. Now, I feel like this could be the reason why we're seeing, look at this, the lovers, we see the seven of pentacles, because I feel like there's an energy of it's like there's strong energy of worth being here, strong energy of like valuing, a strong energy of defending this union, this connection, okay, or the presence, your aura, the what you bring to the table. It's something. The message I'm getting is like it's like weight in gold. It's like worth. It's worth so much more. It's values that are desirable by others. Okay, and you are possessing these values. So again, keep doing you, girl. Keep doing you. Okay. Okay. What you got going on is sweet like chocolate, something that's going to nourish the body and the soul. Okay, and we can see that here. Now, I just recognize we have the King of Cups here. So there could be, the energy that you bring, especially how we have the Two of Cups, it brings out the King of Cups out of people. It brings out that energy of wanting to protect, to love, to defend, to honor, to respect. Okay. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. That is good vibrational energy. And, tell yourself, I deserve to be loved. I deserve to be respected. I deserve to be valued. I deserve to be honored. This has got nothing to do with being arrogant or anything like that. It's you setting, like with the Seven of Wands being here, you setting the tone. Okay, what is it that you want to bring into your life? What is it that you want to bring into your existence? So this will now help men to view you in this light. Okay, I hope you're with me. Okay, so let's have a look now at the type of queen energy that wants to come through. We're going to use the good karma deck. Let's have a look and see when, how men view you, how do they view your queen energy? So how do men view your queen energy, your empress, your queen energy? Let's see what wants to come through. So how do they view your queen energy, your empress energy? Ooh. Hey, we have the fool. Okay, and we have so how they view. Funny enough, I've just heard a phone message go, "Ba-doop," and it's like it always tends to do that. Notice, no matter even if it's silent. But I feel like how they view your Empress and how they view your Queen energy, with the Fool being here, it's almost like this the energy that you give. It's like they can do anything. They can achieve great things. And with the Ten of Cups being here, it's also this energy of like they see you as somebody, as we have here, the lovers being there. Look at the Eight of Pentacles being there. Look at the Ace of Wands. Look at that. Someone they can grow with. Someone that, again, it's an energy of like a nourishing energy that you carry. There could be an interracial element. Perhaps, you could have people that are, or men from different cultures that are very attracted to you. And I feel like it's also an energy that if someone wants to start a new journey or has a passion or a drive, especially because we're seeing lots of wands energy, okay, lots of kind of cups and wands and pentacles energy, which is really good sign. It's like this energy that no matter what project, whatever you may like an ambition or a drive, it's like you have this energy to encourage others as well as encouraging yourself, but also like this energy of knowing what it is that you want and working towards it. Okay, making plans, setting goals. These things are all desirable things. So now that we have this in mind, we're gonna look into the person on your mind. Okay, let's see if there's anybody, okay, who wants to come through. So we are going to start with this deck here, which has some messages, hobbies, and interests. It could be things that they may want to say to you right now. Okay. It can also be things they may want to say to you right now from their high self. So let's have a look and see what wants to come through. So for the collective who chose pile one, okay, the person on their mind, what do they want to say to them? Ooh, we have the thought of you, or the thought of being without you is something that I have worried about. Now we can also see this perhaps with the Seven of Pentacles, there could be some energy here of someone having some doubts, having some worry. Again, recognizing the connection and the union. We have here passionate about volunteering and giving back. So there could be someone who wants to give back, okay? Who wants to give their equal share towards you. Okay. Any other messages from the person on your mind? We have here, I feel a spark every time we touch. It's hard to ignore. Ooh la la. Who is this person? What else do they want you to know? Okay, we have I am drawn to your kindness and your compassion. So someone's drawn to your kindness and your compassion. It could also be the energy that you have with the Seven of Wands that you could, if there's anybody, it could be like your close loved ones, or your passions, you're willing to defend it and stand for your rights. I'm kind of getting this could be something there might be an energy of, especially how we have volunteering, there could be an energy of wanting to stand for things that you believe in. And this is like a very attractive thing. Okay. We have here, I imagine a I imagine a future with you and it fills me with hope and excitement. This person could be into like tech savvy. They could be tech savvy or into gadgets. Okay, what else do they want you to know? I'm gonna pull this one because it feels like it wants to come out. I look at this. I value your opinions and insights more than you realize. I value your opinions and insights more than you realize. Is there any other messages that they want you to know? What else do they want you to know right now? Ooh, one fell on the floor. A lot of energy here. We have fit and toned physique. So this could be something that you have. Okay, it could be something they're attracted to, or it could be men who have that kind of physique is also attracted to you. Okay, regardless of physique or anything like that. Okay, so we're going to have a quick look as we are just, these little fun reads as part of like this carnival season that's going on. We're gonna have a look and see what type of cocktail comes to mind when they think of you. What type of cocktail comes to mind when they think of you? What type of cocktail? Ooh la la, look at this. Hey, we have the blue shark. I hope you can see that. The blue shark. Okay, so combine all the ingredients in a cocktail shaker with cracked ice and shake well. Ooh la la, blue shark. Look at the. I just realized it's the Seven of Diamonds, which is the Seven of Pentacles. So again, it's this strong energy of sevens. We're seeing 777. So this is giving the energy of lucky number seven. Okay. So I feel like this is also an energy of with the Fool being here, the Ten of Cups, we can see the Two of Cups. There's kind of like a strong energy of like seeing you as a lucky aura, lucky energy, okay? And how they view you, okay? Ooh la la. So we're going to end this read with a romantic oracle, and let's have a look and see what wants to come through. So how do men view you? How do men view you? Ooh, we two came out. Let's have a look and see. We have so they're very attracted to you. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So I feel like it's also the more you tap into your energy, the more you love on yourself, it draws this energy. It's drawing their energy closer and closer towards you. Ooh la la. Oh, ooh wee. So yes, as we looked into the person in your mind, there could be a past life relationship as well. Okay, that is someone who's fond of you, someone who's fond of your memories, or fond of what it was like before. It could also be them coming through with the lovers and the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, perhaps yearning, wanting to reconcile. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Now, as part of the carnival, because it's like we want to just bring some more carnival energy into it. Okay. So we are going to have a one more look. Okay. Let's use the color cards. So we have chocolate. Let's see what else wants to come through. Okay, before we end this read of what type of colors you should wear. Okay. What type of colors you should wear. What type of colors you should wear. Show the collective what they need to see. What type of colors they should wear. Ooh, we have pearl. So perhaps you could have a pearl necklace or some kind of I'm getting some kind of like a linen white or some kind of something that I feel like it's like to bring out that energy, that aura, and I'm also getting this energy that it will help, to show that radiance about you, that radiant skin, perhaps just a little simple jewelry. Okay. Ooh la la. This is what I'm kind of getting. Something like this, but it's like in this kind of like pearl color. Ooh la la. And we have oi, 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 oi. Hey. Oh, Liz, look, I just realized connect to the divine. So again, it's this energy of seeing you as like this divine aura about you. We have cherry, okay? One of my favorite fruits. Cherry, live in an extraordinary life, okay? So vibrant, there's a lot of vibrant colors here, okay? So to bring out that Caribbean queen, that carnival queen, that empress out of you, okay? So for the collective, I feel like I still want to draw one more. Let's draw one more. I want to draw one more. Let's draw one more. Last but not least, okay, we're gonna pull out a traveling intuitive message for you on how men view you. So for the collective who chose power one, how do men view you? How do men view you? How do men view you? Look at that. How do the men view you? Can you see this image right now? Can you see it? Look at this. Wine and dine you. Seeing you as somebody that they would love to take time to get time to just taking the time to invest to getting to know you, you know, respecting your boundaries, valuing you, okay, wanting to spend time enjoying the sunset, in traveling, going to different places, trying new things, okay, enjoying your hobbies and interests with you, talking about your passions and your goals and your dreams, seeing you as somebody that they can they can be with for a lifetime. This is what I see. Ooh la la. So, for the collective who chose pile one, I hope the messages are resonating on this fun read, okay? On how do men view you. So, you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages that resonate and we have to say it with power, leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. Okay? But be sure to look good, feel good. Tap into these colors, tap into these auras. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Click on that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Okay? Subscribe. Okay? Share. Put your flags in the chat. Okay? Oh, those vibrant colors in the chat. And I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people. Wagwan tea sippers. Wagwan generals. So we have pile two, and we're looking into the question, how do men view you? So I hope you've got maybe some snacks or a cup of tea or a beverage of your choice to keep you hydrated as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems, okay? And put your flags in the comments, okay? We're just gonna just big up where you are and where you're watching, okay, from around the world, okay? All right. And If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot Auntie. Click on that notification bell so you don't miss a beat round here. Right, let's get into it. Okay, so how do men view you for the collective who chose pile two? How do men view you? How do men view you? Did something pop out? It felt like it wanted to. How do men view you? Ooh wee! Oi, 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 oi. Hey, hey. You're bringing out the emperor in them. I feel like you're bringing the emperor in them. And you know what? You know who's the equivalent to the emperor, right? It's the empress. Ooh. Oi, oi, oi. So the emperor, okay? The emperor is here. This is you're giving this energy of like they want to respect, they want to value, okay, your energy. You are bringing this energy towards them, okay? It's making them want to move and groove, okay? The way they walk, the way they talk, okay? The way they come towards you is going to come towards you as like the energy of the emperor. So, how do they view you? They view your there's a strong energy of your empress is shining through. Let's have a look and see what's significant at the front and the back of the deck. Hey, we have the strength card here. Let's see what's there. Look, the strength card. There's like also an energy of knowing that they have to make a firm decision or a choice. Especially when we got it's on the pile two as well. Sometimes whenever there's a choice or some decision, sometimes it always falls under pile two. Okay. Now let's see what's that significant at the back. We have the Knight of Wands. So there's again this strong fiery energy, passionate energy of wanting to come towards you, but it's also this energy, okay, which chops the knight, okay, and the Knight of Wands is this energy of wanting to come towards you. Okay. Okay. So we'll leave that here. But there's definitely a strong energy. Okay. I'm just gonna adjust the camera just a little bit. Okay, that's a little lot better. So I hope you can see better now. So we can see the strength and we can see there's a the Knight of Wands. Okay, look at that. What's behind it as well? Hey! So there's a strong energy of like, especially with the Ace of Pentacles, it's like an energy of when they come towards you, the way you bring out this energy of them valuing you, respecting you, which, as you know, as they should. This ain't got nothing to do about being arrogant, as this was mentioned in Power One. It's about the idea of you valuing yourself, you knowing your worth. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. Know your worth. Know your respecting your own boundaries, valuing yourself, because that energy will carry you far. And it's also carrying this energy that is making the emperor, okay, men that may display these energies, okay, of being like a level of like a maturity, growth coming towards you because you're showing that energy towards yourself. And I feel like definitely an empress energy coming through. Okay. As we can see with the Two of Pentacles here, it's kind of like this decision of knowing, they've got to make a firm choice, okay? Especially even like how they move towards you or come towards you. Now I feel drawn to pull from the middle, the Page of Swords. So it could also be that there could be somebody who may be watching or could maybe keeping an eye on what you're doing on social media and things like that. Okay. All right. So let's pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what additional message it wants to let us know on how do men view you. How do men? Ooh, we have quite a few here. We have quite a few. Let's pick one from here. Let's see. Show us the one that we need to see from this pile. Thank you. We have John Crow. John Crow. John Crow. Okay. Think him own pitney white. So in Jamaican patois, the John Crow think him own pitney white. The Dranko. The Drunko Tinky Moon Pitney White. The Drunko. Okay. Now the Drunko is just basically like the crow bird. The John Crow, the crow bird, okay, thinks its own child, okay? The crow bird, which tends to be like a very like dark colored black bird, thinks its own bird, its own child, Pitney, it looks like like more like a dove. And that's the idea that the energy of you is like they can't, it's like it's almost like they have such a strong high value, like, and I feel like this is like the men have strong such a strong high value in you that whether it's like they can't, you know, they always thinks their own is best, one-sided view. But I feel like this is like an energy of like when they see you, when they think of you, is that you bring this, look at this, this energy was here in Power One as well. It's the sun. It's like I'm getting this energy that you can't do wrong in their eyes. You can't do wrong in their eyes because they see you as somebody that they can have as an equivalent, side by side, side by side. And who's by the Emperor's side? Is the Empress. Okay? As much as the Emperor is the king of all kings, the daddy of all daddies. Okay, the emperor still needs somebody like an empress to be by his side. So there's a strong energy of your strength, okay, influencing the emperor, influencing how the men view you. You carry this innate strength about you, an innate resilience about you that is very admired. It also brings out their inner child. Okay, look at the cards. Look at this. This was in Power One as well as this energy here. We have the death. So it's like bringing out the new. You have a way of bringing out new vibrant energy in them. So we're gonna look at the colors now. We're gonna look at the colors. Okay, let's have a look and see what aura. Okay, just get those cards and have a look and see what type of aura energy, okay, you bring out in them. Okay, let's have a look. So for the collective who chose pile two, what type of colors come to mind when men, how do men view you? What type of colors come to mind on how do men view you? Oh, look at this. Oi, 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 oi. We have brilliant white. Okay, discover your sparkle. Now, did we went back to that energy about the John Crow, okay, the Jamaican proverb. It's like the crow bird can't see anything, but when it looks at its own, okay, because it sees like its own as a dove. And it's the idea of like you have this energy as well about you, this kind of dove-like energy about you, this kind of innocence. Look what's going on with the strength in the color of the white. Okay, you carry this energy that's very appealing, very attractive. They're drawn to this energy. Okay, and it could also be someone from the past, as we saw with the page of swords, but now we see the three of cups here. So it also could be that your energy, I feel like it is also, you might even get in praise by others around you, okay, regarding your energy. Okay, there could be, especially with the nine of wands being here, there could be an, I feel like there's an energy from someone from the past that may want to see if they can make amends with you. Okay, any other colors, any other colors that are significant this time? How do men view you? How do men view? Ooh, wee. Right, let's get the one that just fell on the lap. Look at these colors. These are the colors of the Empress. Look at the colors. It's the Empress colors. You the Empress colors. The Empress colors. The peach, inhale, a breath of life, a breath of life. Discover your sparkle. The cherry, live an extraordinary life. Let's see if we can find the Empress. Show us the Empress. Show us the Empress. Show us the Empress. Show us the Empress. Let's have a look and see if we can find the Empress. Okay. Let's have a look and see if we can find the Empress. And you can see, okay, we're now kind of going into a bit of like tarot school session. But look there, look, there's the Empress. Look, okay, look at the Empress here. Look at the Empress. What do you see? Look at the colors. Look at the colors, darling. Look at the colors of the Empress. Look at the colors and tell me this is not the Empress energy coming through. Who better could stand by the side of the Emperor? Hmm? Who can stand by the side of the Emperor? Look at that. Look at the energy, look at the colors as well that the Empress carries that also brings out that energy into the Emperor. Look at that. Look at the colors. Look at those colors. The peach, the vibrant cherry, the vibrance of the brilliant white. Look what's going on with the Emperor here. Look how they are matching. This is the energy that you are carrying. This is the energy that they are drawn to. This is the energy they are attracted to. And we didn't even ask the cards yet, the type of queen, but we don't even need to ask the cards what type of queen. You are showing this. We're just going to clarify, the carnival type of queen. Right now, let's have a look and see. Okay, we can see the Empress here, and the Empress is showing this is your energy. Okay, so can we have some more clarification, please, on the type of queen, the type of empress you are? Okay, show us the cards that the collective need to see. Okay, it's part of these fun reads, it's part of this carnival season that's taking place because we have Notting Hill Carnival. We have lots of carnivals taking around from all around the world, and we're just kind of honoring that carnival season. Okay, what type of energies comes to mind? The queen energy in you, the empress energy. Let's have a look and see what wants to come out. Let's have a look. Oh, okay, look. So we have the Four of Cups in reverse. Now the Four of Cups upright is about not being receptive of blessings coming your way. It's in the opposite. This is about you embracing blessings. This is about how men view you, or they recognize it's like you are a lady, you are an energy, you are an aura of abundance. You recognize the importance of give, receive. Okay? Give, receive. This is the energy that you carry. You carry an abundance of this energy. And it's very attractive to energies who carry the Emperor energy. I'm getting the energy real, recognize real. The King of Cups is here as well. It brings out the King of Cups. It brings out the empathic, the loving, the nurturing side of the Emperor. Okay? The Emperor is the King of all kings. The Emperor can be the King of Pentacles, all about their money, their wealth, their generational wealth, building abundance, building business opportunities for themselves. Okay? Thinking about reserved gratification rather than instant gratification. It can also be the King of Wands, all about that creativity, all about finding ways of doing things, being very innovative. Okay. The King of Cups is here. Okay. Let's quickly go on to the King of Swords, that rational, logical mind, okay, view or outlook of the world, and this loving nature of them. Okay. So it brings out the loving nature of the Emperor. And they are drawn to that. They are attracted to that. So how men view you, and how they view the Queen in you, the Empress in you. it makes this energy want to come out more and more and more. Nothing wrong with that. Just gonna have a look and see what's significant at the front. So we have the Three of Swords in reverse. So I'm getting this like you have an innate healing energy. When we look at think of the Empress is the healer. It's like a healing, nurturing, loving energy, a mothering energy. Okay, the connection to the divine, a connection to the Mother Earth. Okay. Let's see what's here. The Nine of Cups. So the Nine of Cups is this sense of peace, this sense of belonging, this sense of knowing who you are, the sense of being confident in yourself, the sense of your self-esteem, your confidence all intact. This is the Empress here. Knowing who you are and embracing it wholeheartedly, not feeling no way. You hear that? Not feeling no way. If someone wants to spoil you and wine and dine you, like the empress that you are, enjoy it. Again, you give, you receive, you receive, you give. It's a two-way process. Look at the infinity sign going on with the strength card. And you are carrying this energy. You are carrying this energy. Oh la la. Okay, so we're gonna look into the person on your mind now. Okay, because we did see the Page of Swords pop up. Oh, okay. We have, I value your opinions and your insights more than you realize. Now, this came out for pile one. Okay, what else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? The person on your mind. So this deck has messages of hobbies and interests. Okay. We've got an outdoor adventurer. There could be an outdoor adventurer. Okay. It also has things that they may want to say to you, their as well as their higher self. Okay, so looking into their divine masculine to the divine feminine. Let's see what other messages for the collective you chose. Pile two. How do men view you? Okay, we have quite a few here. We have the sound of your name. Hey, brings a smile to my face every time. We have fashion forward and trendy. They can have a very tall stature, so they could be very tall, radiant skin. Okay, this perhaps you could be tall. Again, there's an energy of radiant skin. We can see that with the emperor, the empress being here. Okay, they could be a foodie lover, enjoys trying new foods, eating out. Okay, a chiseled jawline. Ooh la la. We have, I cherish the moments we spend together. They are the highlights of my day. Okay, you are bringing out the King of Cups. You are really bringing out the King of Cups out of the Emperor. Okay, and I feel like it's also it's helping the Emperor with the Two of Pentacles being here, learning to kind of balance themselves out as well, not always having to be serious all the time, and you bringing this energy in them or out of them. Okay, what any messages from their higher self? Messages from their higher self. So they have some messages about social outgoing parties. We did see the Three of Cups earlier. Okay, we have, look at this. My late night thoughts involve thinking about you, holding you, and kissing you. Look at this. You are bringing out the energy of the King of Cups. Okay, for the Emperor, this energy is really coming through. Okay, for the Emperor, to not be so serious all the time. Okay, to not always be like thinking about the ways of how to do things or how to go about things, but really bringing out the sun energy out of them so they can enjoying life, to enjoy life. Ooh la la. What else? Last shuffle. Last shuffle. We have, you have a way of making even the simplest moments feel magical. So we are going to look at a couple more messages. Okay, let's have a look first at the cocktails. Let's see what kind of cocktail energy comes to mind when they think of you. So for the collective who chose pile two, how do men view you? How do they view your energy? Let's have a look and see. Oh, we have quite a few. Okay. So let's have a look. We have the nine of pentacles or the nine of diamonds. Oi, 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 oi. So this is the energy of independence. Energy of independence. We have the cosmopolitan. Okay, I hope you can see that. Try and get a bit more better focus. That's it. We have the nine of pentacles, cosmopolitan. Pour all the ingredients into a shaker with ice. Ooh la la. Look at the energy. Do you see the energy again? The colors, the vibrant colors of the Empress. Look at this. We have the Jamaican, Jamaican hop, the Seven of Cups, the Seven of Cups, okay, or the Seven of Hearts. So the Seven of Hearts, represents this energy of. I feel like in this, the Seven of Hearts or the Seven of Cups can represent the energy that there's lots of options, lots of and it could possibly can also like there could be distractions. But I feel like in this energy, it's you have so much different things about you that they love, that they admire. And I feel like it's also you carry a lot of skills, a lot of talents, perhaps even some hidden talents. But I feel like it's like the more they get to know you, you bring out the King of Cups every time. Okay. Again, look at this. Look at yes, come through, come through. Look at okay, the Jamaican flair coming through, the Jamaican hop. Ooh la la. So there could be some kind of like vibrant energy about you. Okay, let's have a look and see what's here. We have the Green Laguna. So look, all of these kind of earthy nine of wands. We've got the nine of wands here, okay? Or the nine of clubs, okay? So again, it's this energy of I feel like the energy is like you have so much going on. Perhaps even if you could be busy lives, or perhaps you could be busy life or have a busy life, they still want to take the time to get to know you. They still want to kind of enjoy, you know. I'm getting like the message of like, a cocktail over the nice sunset and just enjoying these moments with you. Okay. Ooh la la. Look at the King of Cups with its cup as well. Holding it close to its chest, holding it close to its heart. Okay, wanting to come towards you. Waiting, just hoping that, time will kind of work in both of your favors. Look at this, how they view you. How do they view you? Ooh la la. Hey, hey. So, last but not least, we've got a couple of more messages left. We're gonna look at the romantic oracles for pile two, for the collective who chose pile two. How do men view you? Okay, what do you need to know? What do you need to know? Okay, thank you. Oi, 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 oi. Look at this. This situation involves marriage. So the Empress energy that you're carrying, it's making them see you as the song that I'm getting is oh, I think it's Tony Tone. Tony Tone anniversary. It's our anniversary. It's our anniversary. Yeah. This again, you know, they see you as their equal. They see you as somebody they can grow with. Look at the energy again. We're seeing the Knight of Wands again. And behind the Knight of Wands, if I could just show you that, under the good karma is the Ace of Cups, the Chariot wanting to come towards you. Oi, 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 taking action. Okay. Ooh la la. So, last but not least, we're going to look at an intuitive traveling imagery, okay? So, for the collective, you chose pile two, and how do men view you? We can see all these vibrant messages. Can we have a lasting message, please, for the collective? What do they need to know? Oh, actually, before we do this, let's go back to the color cards. We're going to go back to the color cards and see what colors you should be wearing at this time. Okay, so we saw brilliant white, we saw peach, we saw cherry. Are there any other additional colors you should be wearing at this time? Any additional colors? Okay, any other additional colors? So yes, we have one more. And the drum roll, please. Look at this again. We have tangerine. Be spontaneous and have fun. Again, it's the energy, it's the colors of the Empress. Look, the cards are not lying here. Look at all the colors. Look at this. It's the Empress. Your energy is shining through. Your energy is shining through. The Empress is here, and the Empress is here to stay. Look at this with the wedding card. Look at this. So let's have a look now. Last but not least, a message, intuitive message regarding all this energy that we have here. Okay, can we have a lasting message for pile two, please? Pile two. What do pile two need to know? We have, look at this. Can you see that? I'm making my way to you. Empress, dear Empress. Message from the Emperor. I am making my way to you. I am coming to you. I am coming towards you. I view you highly as my Empress. I am coming towards you. So, for the collective who chose Pile 2, I hope the messages are resonating. Okay, take those messages that are resonating, and you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages, okay, that resonate and leave the rest. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. It's just Jamaican pattern. It simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed. Okay, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot. Click on the notification bell. Give us a thumbs up for this video. It really helps the channel to grow and to connect with more like-minded people with you, to be part of this loving community and family. So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, stay hydrated, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay? Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile three and we are looking into the question, how do men view you? Okay, so I hope you have a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice, some snacks, just to keep you hydrated as we gather these intuitive, juicy intuitive gems. Okay, so also, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Okay, click on that notification bell so you don't miss a beat around here. Come and join the Love and Light family, and put in the comments down below, okay, maybe some emojis of what you're sipping on, as well as the flags, okay, just to represent, okay, your country, represent your, where you're from, where you're watching from around the world, okay, as part of this carnival fun read, okay, that we are doing today on how men view you, okay, because there's lots of carnivals taking place, okay, so we're just kind of just representing that kind of vibrant Caribbean culture and energy going on. There's a lot of fire energy going on. We're just gonna celebrate it, okay, with you all. So let's get into it. Let's see Wagwan for pile three. Okay, how do men view you? Okay, so let's keep that in mind. How do men view you? So for the collective who chose pile three, show the collective what they need to see on how do men view you. Okay, let's have a shuffle. Let's see how men view you. Oh, we have the Nine of Cups. So the Nine of Cups represent this energy of feeling complete in yourself. You could be given this energy. You could be given this energy. Perhaps you've been taking that time to work on your growth, work on your healing, and that's really shining through. This energy is carrying this aura. Okay, again, it's all about the way you move, the way you groove. It's very attractive. Okay, and I feel like it's also drawing men who have done the same, working on themselves and are very drawn and very attracted to your energy. Okay. Ooh la la. Let's see what's significant at the front and at the back of the deck. Oi, 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 oi. We have the Queen of Cups energy here. So this could be the energy that you are carrying. Okay. This kind of like true queen and a lady. You are carrying this queen and a lady energy about you. And we have the moon. So I feel like there could be, perhaps with the moon being here, there could be some kind of like maybe hidden thoughts, hidden feelings about how they value or how they truly feel about you, okay? And how or how they truly value you, okay? And perhaps they're not always I'm getting perhaps they're not always confident in sharing how they truly feel, but I feel like your energy helps them to ignite the confidence in them. Okay, now just feel drawn to pull from the middle. What? Look how the middle's just opening up. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look at that. We're gonna have a look. So we have the Five of Cups here. So there could be someone from your recent past who still is kind of like in mourning or in some kind of like the loss of not having your presence around. Okay, this could be maybe like an ex-love interest. Okay, but someone who it's almost like they now realized like wow, I'm gonna call you Jane. Jane was somebody that I could really grow with, and I feel like I feel the message that I'm getting is like they're really sad about it and hoping with those Two of Cups, okay, that maybe one day there could be some kind of reconciliation, there could be some kind of transformation, especially with the energy of the five being here, that they can have some transformation with you, okay? Again, it could be the time to work on, perhaps them getting taking the time to work on themselves so they can build that confidence before they come towards you. And I feel like this could be why the moon is here as well also. Okay. There could be some hidden thoughts, hidden feelings from this person, okay, who's showing up in this energy of the Five Cups. Okay. Interesting as well how it kind of opened up to this energy here. But I feel like it can also be an energy of like whoever, if there's been any like exes or anything like that, they still have strong feelings. They still have strong feelings. Okay. And we have the Page of Cups here. So there could be also a new love interest, okay? Um, maybe igniting a passion as well with you, or you could be igniting that passion with them as also. Okay. Ooh la la. Okay, just leave that here. So let's have a look at the Jamaican Tarot and see what the Jamaican Tarot wants you to know right now. Let's have a look. So how do men view you? How do men view you? Okay, we have two messages. Let's have a look. We have, and not everything come from above is a blessing. And not everything come from above is a blessing, you know. And not everything. Okay. Some opportunities may come with a consequence. So like a superior positions to dispose the unfortunate, use your discernment. So I feel like this message could be perhaps why this person could be in this energy or feeling this loss that they never saw or they never recognized your worth. And it's like now they've had some time to go, oh my gosh, Jane was really she was really something, She was really some. I feel like this person could be really recognizing that. Okay. And I feel like the message I'm getting is they're lost, but someone else is gain. Okay. We have peacock hiding foot when him hear about him tail. So the peacock hiding foot when him hear about him tail. Okay. So the peacock hides its feet when it hears about its tail. This is the energy of being too proud. Stops you from growing. Don't stop yourself from learning. Being too proud stops you from growing. Don't stop yourself from learning. This is the energy of like how pride can hold you back. How do men view you? And I feel like this is an energy with the Nine of Cups being here. It's an energy of growth. It's an energy of growth. It's an energy of healing. Maybe healed and still healing. You were taking that time to work on yourself. And again, it's like what I've mentioned in pile two. Sometimes these messages come through and kind of align itself with the number. The power of three, the energy of three is all about growth, is all about expansion. Think of the Empress energy. Your energy is showing through. Look at the Ace of Wands. Your energy is showing through in the Queen of Cups. You are taking that time to love on yourself, to value yourself. I'm getting the energy of respecting yourself, your boundaries, and knowing your worth. And the more you take time to know your worth, is coming through in that Nine of Cups energy. You being confident, you being in peace with yourself. Okay. And it's a way, it's almost like the energy that you're carrying, it may be triggering some who haven't done the work. Okay. Some who may have not done the work. But it's also the message that I'm getting is to stay firm with your boundaries and continue to doing to taking on that habit, because it's also you protecting your nurturing side, the queen in you, the empathic side of you. Okay. All right. So we are going to have a look now in some color energy. I'm going to see what color energy comes to mind when how do men view you, okay? So, for the collective who chose pile 3, what color energy comes to mind and how do men view you? How do men view you? And your colors, your aura, the way you move, the way you groove. As we can see with the Nine of Cups here. Look at this. Look at the colors shining through in the Queen of Cups and the Nine of Cups. We have gold, okay? Gold attract abundance. You're carrying this energy about you, okay? What else do they need to see? Ooh la la, we have the rainbow. Connect to the spirit in nature. Connect to the spirit in nature. You're carrying all this energy. You're carrying this energy. Look at the vibrant energy as well of the Queen of Cups. Look at that, the Queen of Cups. You are carrying this energy. Okay, what else any more? Any more that they need to see? And how do men view you? How do men view you? Thank you. We have, oh la la, you know what this means? Because this came out in pile 2. As we can see, the peach. Inhale a breath of life. This is the Empress energy coming through. It's coming through in the Queen of Cups. Okay. The Empress carries the energy of the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. This is all the energy coming through. But you're bringing out, what I'm seeing is like you're bringing out the Queen of Cups. You could be bringing out the Queen of Pentacles as well. The Queen of Swords. You could be bringing out all of the energies at this time, okay? And it's also, I feel like the more you embrace your queen, the queen that you are, darling. Yes, darling. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. You are bringing out this confidence in you that you don't feel no way. It's not about being arrogant round here. because that's not the energy that we're carrying. There's no energy about arrogance, but it's about you loving on yourself from head to toe, knowing your worth and running with that, girl. Running with that and believing in yourself. Okay. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. So now we are going to have a look now at some messages regarding this energy here that we see with the Five of Cups. Okay, because there's an energy of someone maybe feeling this kind of sense of sadness that you may no longer be present in their energy. Okay, so that, oh, look at that, it wanted to come out. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. DM to DF, your energy inspires me to do better and be a better person. Oi, 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 oi. So I feel like this person is recognizing they got to do better, they got to be better. Okay. Perhaps that, maybe when they were in your presence, I feel like it could be that there could have been an energy of pride that got in their way. There could have been an energy of not seeing that you was a blessing in their lives, okay? And now recognizing like, no, the energy that you carry is this energy. Your energy is inspiring me. And now I recognize that. And the fact is, well, it came out, their higher self really wanted to come through. Okay? Because this deck has messages from their higher self, things they want to say to you, and some hobbies and interests to help you to kind of know who they could be. All right. Like, okay, look at this. I can't wait to see where our journey takes us. So if this could be a love interest, this could be someone who wants to return. This could be someone who still has like, it could be a soulmate, a two of the with the two of cups being here. There could be a soulmate that perhaps there's been some distance, some separation, wanting to work, wanting to repair, wanting to come back towards you. Okay? We have full lips. So I feel like this person could be still reminiscing, remembering all those little things about you, those little features about you that they found attractive. Look at that. Look at all these messages coming through. You have a way of making the simplest moments feel magical. You have, you have that in you. What else do they want you to know? Look at this. My late night thoughts involve thinking about you, holding you, and kissing you. This is the Five of Cups energy. Okay. Reminiscing, hoping, wanting, yearning. They could be fashion forward or trendy, or this could be something about you. You could be very fashion forward and trendy. What else do they want you to know? I feel like one has tried to pop out here. I feel a spark every time we touch. It is hard to ignore. We have another message. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Why? Our separation really helped me to see that you deserve so much more. So there's definitely an energy here for some of you, someone who wants to come back and return, somebody who still has a lot of love for you. Okay. And probably perhaps pride, things like that got in the way, but the time apart has now made them see how much love they still have for you, how much they want to repair this. Okay. And it could be as well why we see the message of the Page of Cups here, that there could be perhaps this person may want to give you some messages. Okay, because we can see the Page of Cups. We can also see the Ace of Wands behind here. That yes, there could be definitely is somebody from your recent past that wants to return. Okay. What else do they want you to know? The person on your mind. Okay. We have someone could be an avid sports fan. Okay. Could be a specific team. Is there any specific teams that come to mind? We have I'm scared of losing you because you have become so important to me. So I feel like this energy again is they're really trying to come through, really trying to come through and connect in this read. Okay. Your intelligence and your wit impress me more than you know. Okay. We have dimples. So perhaps if you could have dimples, they may have dimples. And some of these messages could maybe apply to a crush, a love interest, or an ex, or somebody who wishes to have a return, or it could be like a recent separation, okay, or a break. Your smile and laughter is like music to me. I love looking at your smile and seeing your smile. Now just take a moment to think, who could this be? Do you remember anyone just kind of looking at your smile or observing your smile? Okay. And see who comes to mind. Okay. And that just to allow your intuition to just flow, okay, into the read. Oh, we have here. I am amazed by your resilience in the face of adversity. So there's a strong energy of someone being amazed by your resilience, the strength that you carry. Okay. We have, I long to explore every corner of your mind. Ooh la la. Now I was just gonna put the deck down, but this one feels like it wants to pop through. So we're gonna have a look. You challenge me. Look at this. You challenge me to be a better person, and I'm grateful for that. I am grateful for that. Hey, they are grateful. So we're gonna have a look and see what type of colors now. Um, what type of colors? Let's have a look at the colors that you should wear at this time. What type of colors? Okay, so for the collective, we can see we have the rainbows, and that's like vibrant colors right there. And we have gold. Let's see what type of colors um that could be maybe significant or things that you should wear. Okay. For the collective who chose Power 3, what type of additional colors they need to know that maybe they could wear at this time. We have, coral. Again, it's bringing out the energy of the Empress. We have coral. Allow the flow and synchronicity in your life. Okay, so allow the flow and synchronicity in your life. So perhaps you may be seeing lots of synchronicities. You might be seeing lots of angel numbers. Okay, this is just to allow those messages to flow. Okay, allow those messages to flow. Ooh la la. Any other additional messages for the collective who chose Power 3? What do they need to know? Oh, so yeah, lots of nice colors, vibrant colors here. Okay, look at this. We have gray. Learn to scan your body. Learn to scan your body. And I feel like since how we just mentioned about intuition, it's like connecting with your body, connecting with your mind, you know, building that relationship, and it will help you to even sense what's going on. When we saw the moon here, connecting with that energy, and it will help you to draw out and think, yes, who could this be? Who could this person be who's the Five of Cups, who's showing through in this energy? And it will come. Look at this. We still have the energy of the Empress colors, burgundy. Awaken your passion. So there's a strong energy here to awaken that vibrant passion in you. Okay. So we're going to have a look at a cocktail now. Cocktail messages for the collective you chose Power 3. How do men view you? Okay, can we have some messages, please? How do men? Ooh, yes, we've got quite a few that fell on the floor. So bear with me. Right, so we have, look at this. We have the Five of Hearts, also known as, drum roll, please. We have the Five of Cups. Look, this person is really coming through. The Five of Cups, the Ramos Gin Fizz. Okay, I hope you can see that. The Ramos Gin Fizz. Yes, brilliant. We've got better focus now. Look at that. Shake very vigorously for at least 1 minute. Okay, look at all that orange, flower water, egg white. Look at these energies, these of the colors, vibrations of the Empress here. Five of Cups. This person is really coming through. trying to, something that it's like almost like I really would like to have some time with you. Look at this. The Three of Wands. Wanting to, okay, Three of Wands, or the Three of Clubs, also known as like the Three of Wands, okay, in the tarot kind of energy here. Wanting to grow, wanting to expand. There's a strong energy of wanting to grow, wanting to heal, wanting to expand. Okay, this person may want to take this step forward, take this leap of faith to come towards you. How again, we are looking at how do men view you, but there's a strong energy of this could be this person on your mind, someone who's really wanting to come through. Okay, now again, this could be a crush or a love interest. Okay, that someone may want to come and grow, or they see you as somebody that they can grow with. Okay, develop, you know build. Okay, travel, explore the world together with this raspberry martini. Hope you can see that. Ooh la la, muddled raspberries in the bottom of a shaker. Ooh la la. Okay, so we're gonna have a look at let's bring out the good karma tarot and see what messages want to come through. Just some clarification messages on how do men view you. Ooh, this one wanted to come out already. Look at this. Ay, 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 ay. Seven of Wands. Now the Seven of Wands popped out in pile one. Now I feel like there's a strong energy of wanting to defend, okay, defend this union, wanting to fight for it, okay? They want to fight for you. I'm getting this strong energy of wanting to work things out, okay? And I feel like this could be the energy of the Five of Cups. Someone wants to work for this and want to work for you. Now, if there isn't any kind of like anyone from your recent past, it could be how they view you is that they want to fight for this. They want to fight for this union. They can see the energy in you, the way you move, the way you groove is very attractive. It's very it's appealing to them. It's what they want. It's what they want to aspire to. It's what they want for themselves. Okay. All right. So, and interestingly, we have the Page of Wands in reverse. Okay, and we have the Temperance. So I feel like the Page of Wands, perhaps there could be some messages, or maybe there's not messages coming through, but it could be someone who's not. I feel like it could also be for some of you, this person is not new. Okay, this person that may want to come to you is not new. Okay, because we also have, look at that's here, the Magician, and we have the Temperance. Someone wants to build peace into this union and connect, balance things out. Okay, look at the rainbow being here as well. Someone's seen you as that. Ay, 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 ay. Hey, hey. So let's have a look at some romantic angel oracles. Let's see what messages want to come through for pile three. So, what do pile three need to see? How do men view you? How do men view you? Oh la la, we have. Ay, 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 ay. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Okay, so there's a message here to ask for and accept support from others. And that could be also from let's say from the men's side. Perhaps they may be trying to make having communications on how they should best deal with the situation. Okay, once just fell on the floor, just gonna have a quick look and see. We have unrequited love. So there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. So I feel like this could be like a recent past energy going on. And again, we're gonna clarify that. Let's have a look and see what else wants to come through. But I feel like with the unrequited, perhaps there could be some kind of like feelings of like maybe some of you have passed on, moved on from the past. So and may this person could still be interested in you and wanting to kind of see if there's any chance. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. We have stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Okay. So if there's any of you who are looking or staying positive, because look, there's a lot of strong energy of chemistry, and the we did see we did see the Ace of Wands here. So this is a lot of chemistry energy. But look what's behind the energy. We have the Nine of Pentacles. And look what's behind the Nine of Pentacles. Hey! We have the Two of Wands wanting to come towards you. Wanting to come towards you. Look again. Look at that. The card's not lying. The Knight of Swords wanting to take action to come towards you, communicate, tell you how they feel. The world is here to start a new cycle with you. But then look what's here. You look at this, the Four of Pentacles. Okay, if they do even want to get out this energy, and I feel like we're already clarifying with this unrequited energy, they have to come out of this energy. It's like they're kind of like I'm getting the energy, the message here is like they're tormenting themselves because they're still stuck in this energy of pride. Being too proud stops you from growing. Being too proud stops you from growing. So how do men view you? There's an energy of like very like optimism, drawn, appealing to your energy, but there is also for some of you, maybe a love interest from your recent past that is thinking that perhaps there's not enough energy, but then at the same time wanting chemistry, wanting things to work out, perhaps even talking and communicating with others how they can best deal with you. Okay, let's call you Jane. How can I deal with the matter with Jane right now? But recognizing that they have to come out of this energy. They have to take that leap of faith and to get out of this kind of energy. Because look what's here. Look what's here. I noticed that we've got playfulness at the front. But what's that? Look at what's at the back. It's a past life. You have known each other. And it's funny because we're looking at how men view you, but there is a strong energy of someone in the past viewing you and admiring you and hoping that things can make amends, okay? So let's have yes, we said we're gonna clarify. The cards were kind of well, the cards were clarifying, but we're gonna see if there's any other additional messages that want to come through from the good karma. Let's see what you need to see right now. So for the collective who chose Power 3, what messages do you need to see? Oh, look at that. That's the star. Ay, 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 ay. So I feel like this is the energy that you carry. There's a healing energy about you. But I feel like it's also triggering someone from your recent past that wants to come forward, but is trying to figure out the best way on how they should come forward towards you. Because they want to grow, they want to heal. Um, and I feel like there's an energy of here, it's like they need to do because it's saying unrequited because there's not enough attraction or chemistry, but it can't be a one-sided thing. You got to put it's a two-way 50-50. So there's a strong energy here I feel like there's a strong energy here for some of you. If this is something you do want, it can, you know and you're both willing, both parties are willing to work on their differences. Growth can take place. We still have the Page of Wands in reverse, and I feel like this all is also significant that it could be someone who is from the recent past. We have the Three of Pentacles again. We have the Three of Pentacles here. So with the Three of Pentacles, and it did come out in reverse, it's gonna take a joint effort to make things happen. Okay, it's gonna take a joint effort to make things happen. I just want to see what's this card popping here, because look at this. The Ace of Swords being here to say yes. Like the clarity, it has to be a joint effort. It has to be a joint effort. Okay, otherwise, what we say, nothing, nah, guan, meaning nothing's gonna go on, nothing is going to happen. Okay, so last but not least, we're gonna pull out an intuitive. We're gonna pull out an intuitive message from this traveling deck and see what you need to see right now. Okay, but there's a strong energy on how men view you. It's like a very healing, nurturing. The Queen of Cups popped through. This kind of Empress energy about you. Okay, that are it's very drawn to you, very attracted to you. Okay. So for the collective, you chose power three. Can we see a intuitive traveling message, please? What do they need to see and how men view you? Ooh, wee! Look at this. Look at this image. How they see you, how they view you. Can you see the couple here and how they view you is like wanting. I feel like the message here is like looking through the glass panel, but looking at the landscape. It's almost like look at all the memories that we've built together. Look at all of the things that we worked hard for, we've achieved, maybe all the hurdles that we've come through. And I'm getting the message like, Jane, this is what I want to embrace with you. This will let me know that I've done that work. And I hope, you know, and I feel like this is for some of you, I hope that we can make amends, we can work on things and get back together. What do you think? Now, again, if this is like a new love interest or anybody like that, I feel like the way they see you, how they value you, is something that they can easily do these things with and enjoy traveling, embracing one another's company together. Now, I'm getting the message to have a look at the surrender oracle cards to see what needs to happen for this person who keeps coming through um in the energy, okay? So let's have a look at what needs to be surrendered. Okay, because I feel like we've already addressed it that they need to come forward and they need to really express themselves. But let's see what needs to come through before we close the read. Okay, so for the collective who chose power three, this person who keeps coming up as the Five of Cups, who wants to make amends. Okay, let's see what needs to be surrendered in order for that to happen. Because it is a how do men view you, but this person, it could be the person in your mind, they keep coming through. We have surrender to your soul's path. Your life's journey has been perfectly designed for your soul's growth. So embrace every lesson and every moment. So for this person, this is kind of a little almost like a little inkling on knowing what this person needs to do. They need to embrace these lessons. So you see how we had the Jamaican proverbs earlier about being too proud. This is a lesson that they need to overcome. This is why we saw from the very beginning, and it's almost like I like these reads because it's like we kind of go from back to back and then go back to like, oh, okay, yes, go back to the very beginning. The Nine of Cups is here to remind us this didn't come from, as I say, today. This came from a building up this knowledge, this skills, this energy of growth over time, learning the lessons so that you can grow and heal. Okay. This person that wants to, who is showing up heavily in this how do men view you read, they need to make sure that they are doing all those things. Okay. Because it's leaving them gaps, it's leaving gaps, and they need to build all of this, build that confidence, build that self-esteem, recognizing the lessons. Stop being stop being too proud, not letting pride get in their way. Because look at the strong energy of the moon being here. They're letting things hold them back. Okay, not seeing things around them, the signs, the synchronicities, the blessings. They need to get that. They need to surrender to that. Okay, now I'm gonna have a look because I can also see as I was about to put it down, this card is also popping through. Look at this. There's an energy as well of surrender the habit of people pleasing. Speak your needs and be true to yourself. Focus on your happiness instead of always trying to make everyone else happy. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here. And this is a message for all of us. Focus on yourself. All right, darling. Yes, honey. So, to the collective who chose Power 3, and how do men view you? Okay, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages that resonate and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay, take what resonates and leave the rest. But be sure to look good, feel good, tap into these energies of the Empress, the Queen of Cups that's really coming through. Okay, wear these vibrant colors. Okay, okay, stay blessed, stay hydrated. Put your comments, put your comments or any messages in the comments down below. Wave your flags in the comments. Okay, wave uno flags. Okay, just wave your flags in the comments. Okay, so I'll see you on the next one. Big up yourself every time. One love and one.